Do you ever feel like your hard work goes completely unnoticed? Like you're a light that's always on, but no one ever praises you for shining? This is a story about the danger of being taken for granted, and the even greater danger of proving your own importance. Once upon a time, in the heart of a humming factory, a young man worked silently among sparks and steel. He wasn't the loudest or the fastest, but he had a mentor, an old, weathered technician who always said, "Talk less, do more, and whatever you do, never stop learning." The young man took every word to heart. For 10 long years, he mastered every corner of the factory, fixing what others couldn't and solving problems no one else even saw. When the old technician retired, the young man quietly took his place. But time passed, and the silence, once a badge of discipline, began to feel heavy. One afternoon, he visited his old mentor, his shoulders slumped. "I did everything you taught me," he said. "I worked hard. I stayed humble. But the ones who talk louder and know less are getting the promotions. I'm still stuck where I was 10 years ago." The old man looked at him and asked one question. "Do you believe the factory depends on you?" "Absolutely," the young man replied. "Then do something you've never done," the mentor said. "Take a day off." He trusted his teacher, so he did. When he returned, chaos had erupted. Machines were jammed, orders delayed. The manager pulled him aside and said, "We never realized how much you were holding together. You're being promoted, effective immediately." It was a quiet victory, a loud lesson. From then on, whenever he felt overlooked, he took a day off. And every time, the factory faltered and he rose higher. Until one day, he arrived to find his access card no longer worked. His job was gone. Confused and betrayed, he rushed back to his mentor. "I followed your advice," he said. "Why did I lose everything?" The old man, "Because you only heard half the lesson." "There was more?" the young man asked. "Yes," the mentor said. "You learned that no one notices a light bulb that's always on until it goes out. But here's the part you missed. If that light bulb keeps going out again and again, people stop depending on it. Eventually, they replace it." The mentor leaned in. "Don't let yourself be taken for granted, yes. But don't punish the world for not noticing you instantly. Reliability is power, and balance is wisdom. So remember this, in your job, in your home, in your heart. Some people shine constantly and never get praised. But that doesn't mean they aren't seen. Sometimes the brightest lights are the ones we take for granted the most. Don't wait to be missed to be valued. Be the light that lasts, not the one that flickers for attention." Because the world doesn't just need brilliance, it needs trust. Subscribe to get more stories like this one. If you don't subscribe, you will probably never see us again. If you've already subscribed, then congratulations. You are growing.